Transportation in animals would not be complete if we do not read about the two kinds of liquid connective tissue, blood and lymph. Blood is a red color liquid which circulates in our body. It is red because it contains a pigment called hemoglobin in it. Its main components are plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. The plasma is the liquid part of the blood which mainly comprises of water, almost 90%, and also it has some dissolved substances such as protein, digested food, common salt, waste products, etc. Along with the plasma, there are three kinds of formed elements. Now these are called formed elements because they are formed from the red bone marrow. First is the RBC, which is circular in shape. RBC helps to carry oxygen from the lungs to all the cells of our body because it has a component which is called hemoglobin in it. A mature RBC does not have nuclei in it. RBC's lifespan is 120 days and it is maximum in the blood compared to that of the other two types of blood cells. White blood cells, on the other hand, fight infection and protects us from the diseases. It does so by two methods. One is by eating the germs, which is called phagocytosis, and the other one is by the help of secretion of some chemical substances, which is called antibodies. They are also known as the soldiers of our body. All the white blood cells have nucleus, though the shape of the nucleus is different in different types of WBC. They are lesser in number compared to that of RBC. Next is the platelets, which are the tiny fragments which do not have nuclei. They help in the coagulation of the blood by converting a soluble protein called fibrinogen into fibrin in the cut or the wound place, and thus the stopping of the blood takes place from that area. The next type of system which we are going to study is lymph and the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system comprises of lymph capillaries, large lymph vessels, lymph glands and the lymph. There are various lymph glands in our body such as tonsils, spleen, etc. Lymph is a light yellow color liquid which is somewhat similar in composition to that of the blood plasma, but it does not have RBC in it, and it has large amount of protein molecules and digested food in it. It also has lymphocytes. Lymph is another medium of circulation in the human body. The main function of the lymph is it has large protein molecules, digested fat, it protects the body by killing the germs by lymphocytes, and it removes the waste like cellular debris from the tissue fluid.